Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Introduction to MS Access. Before going to learn MS Access, we have to learn the concept of database and DBMS, Database Management System. A database is a collection of information and data categorized by specific field which is stored in a tabular format across rows and columns. Database may be organized in paper documents and stored in racks or shelf. This manually kept data has some limitations. The main disadvantages of these are manual files are loss of data, lack of security, and take more labor required to arrange them. As compared to the manual database, a computerized database is more flexible, compact, and faster. Database Management System or DBMS is a software program that enables you to create, modify, and extract data from a database. MS Access is one of the database management software available in MS Office. Advantages of DBMS: improved data access. Using DBMS, data is stored in a centralized location. We can find a specific record or information from among thousands of entries within a second. For example, information of students is stored in a computer can be accessed by class teacher, principal, and even parents from different locations.
Avoid data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplication of data. Redundancy means same file existing in the system at different places, taking a lot of space and the memory. Using DBMS, data are stored in a central place and does not require to maintain multiple copies. In a manual system, if you are updating data, you need to update multiple copies.
Data consistency. Consistency means the quality or conditions of always behaving or performing in a similar way. Data consistency is maintained in DBMS because there is no data redundancy. In a manual system, if you are updating a data, there is more chance for mismatching copies of data.
For example, a changed customer address may be reflected in personal information file but not in saving account file. By having a centralized database, most of this can be avoided.
Data security. One of the important advantages of DBMS is data security. In DBMS, only the authorized users can access data.
You can decide the limited access and unlimited access for different users by using password protection. MS Access. MS Access is one of the database management software available with MS Office. It is a relational database management system. A relational database refers to a database that stores data in a structured format using rows and columns. MS Access allows you to manage all information in a single database file. The data in MS Access is stored in different tables. Some of the examples of RDBMS are MS Access, Oracle, and SQL. Starting with MS Access 2010. To start MS Access 2010, click on Start button and place the mouse pointer on All Programs. Then point to Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Office Access 2010. Another method is to double-click on the MS Access shortcut icon on the desktop. When you open MS Access, you can see Microsoft Access window like this.